Understanding. Zero out the account. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations or financial discussions. Zero out the account. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and provide examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your English conversations. Let's dive in. To zero out the account refers to the action of completely emptying an account, usually a bank or financial account, so that its balance is zero. This phrase can be used both in literal financial contexts and metaphorically in various situations. It implies that all the funds have been used up, withdrawn, or transferred, leaving nothing behind. In a financial setting, zeroing out an account could happen for several reasons. For example, someone might do this to close an account, avoid maintenance fees on a low balance, or as part of financial management strategies. It's a straightforward process. If you withdraw or transfer the remaining balance, the account's balance shows zero. This action can also be a part of budgeting, where one ensures that every dollar is accounted for and spent purposefully. Metaphorically, zero out the account can be applied to situations where resources, energy, or patience is depleted. For instance, saying, "I've zeroed out my patience account with this project," humorously expresses that you have no patience left. It's a creative way to describe exhaustion or depletion of any non-financial resource. Financial context. After reviewing my expenses, I decided to zero out the account and start a new savings fund. Metaphorical use. By the end of the week, my energy account is completely zeroed out, and I need the weekend to recharge. Understanding the context is crucial because the phrase can carry different nuances depending on how it's used. Whether talking about finances or describing a state of being, it conveys the idea of total depletion. We hope this video has cleared up the meaning and usage of the phrase, zero out the account. It's a versatile expression that can add a nuanced layer to your conversations in English, especially when talking about finances or expressing feelings of exhaustion in a creative way. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. See you in the next video.